Hi, Paul, or external examiner. Um, I'm going to be doing Lab 6, a little walkthrough for it. So, for this, I had to use a WSL because I run a kind of modded version of Windows where it's like all the bloatware is gone. But Microsoft just doesn't allow me to get Docker on the computer anymore now because of that. So, I had to use a Linux version of it to get it. So, that's why it kind of looks a little bit weird up here and in here. I'm using sudo and stuff, but it works. It's the same thing. So we're starting off here with service A. So I'll just pull over service A, um, the swagger for it. So what we're doing here is we're giving it a name. So I'll just give it Sean. And that creates a string here. So all we're doing is we're passing it into the code here. It takes the name, puts it there, and returns us the string. And then if I come back over to this one, if we go to service B, I'll just pull it up. So service B calls service A. So if we were to send it this, so I give it Sean again, what's going to happen is service B sends it to service A. Service A then makes a string for service B and sends that string with the name that service B provided back to service B, and that is what's displayed. So we can see that here. So service B got a response. So we just have our Docker here, our make, where it has all the different commands for it. We have our make file, so we can run, start everything from here. The requirements are here. We have our env that's telling us that service A is on port 8000 along with the rest of them, and they're all variations of the port. We have our database URL here, and let me just pull up deploy so you can see deploy. So we can see that service A and B are communicating with each other here. We're using Docker Compose, and I'll just pull up the GitHub now. I don't want to make this video too long. So this is the GitHub we have here. So you can see that I committed on the 28th of November. I only did one commit. Same for this, service B, and it's the same for service A, and that was for service or deploy. And yeah,